capping programs. Let's get back to Steve Leisman. Steve.
Yeah, capping an interesting week here, Sarah. Now, Fed Chair Jay Powell writing a letter to Treasury Secretary Steve Mnuchin in response to the request that the Fed return the money. Powell now saying we will work out arrangements for returning that unused portion of the money. It's about $429 billion of CARES Act funds that they won't be needing because Treasury Secretary Mnuchin has canceled or failed to extend a bunch of those programs. He does make note, as Mnuchin did in his letter, that the Fed still has money that it can use for lending from the Exchange Stabilization Fund that could be, as Powell says, facilities that are needed to maintain financial stability and support the economy. Wilf?
Well, I just have a quick question, Steve. So I guess this is important because there was a question over whether Powell would either be willing, which we know he really isn't a fan of this, but also whether he was legally allowed to not return the money, correct?
Yeah, I think people who were looking for a little bit more Friday night fights were thinking that maybe, Sarah. But to me, there was never a question that once asked the Fed would return it. But there was some, you're correct, speculation about whether or not Powell would defy the Treasury Secretary. But that was never going to happen.
Steve, thank you.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.